Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit HubSpot theme global fonts. This is essential if you want to maintain consistent branding across your entire website, ensuring that headings, body text, and other elements all reflect your company's visual identity. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard, where you can access all the tools you need to manage your site. Now look at the main navigation bar and click on the settings icon. This is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes configurations for your HubSpot account. Once you're in the settings area, turn your attention to the left sidebar and scroll down until you find the option labeled Content. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your website's content management. From that drop-down, select Themes and Modules. This will open the global theme editor, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's appearance. You'll see the HubSpot theme that's currently active on your site. Click on Edit Theme to dive into the customization options. Within the theme settings, you'll need to locate the typography or fonts section. This might be labeled as typography or fonts, depending on your theme version. This is where you can control all the text styling across your entire website. Click on the heading that corresponds to the global font you want to change. For example, you might see options like heading font or body font. Once you've clicked on the font you want to modify, choose your desired font family from the drop-down list. You can also type to search through available options, including Google Fonts. After selecting your font, you'll likely see additional controls to adjust font weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. These settings help you fine-tune the appearance to perfectly match your branding guidelines. If your theme provides controls for other text elements like links or buttons, repeat this process for each one you want to customize. This ensures complete consistency across every part of your site. Before you commit to the changes, preview them using the theme preview feature or apply them to a draft page to see exactly how they'll render on your live site. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish or Save Changes to apply the new fonts across your entire website. Your global font updates will now be live, giving your site a polished, cohesive look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.